All right. Good morning from Del Norte County, Crescent City. It's a balmy, overcast, soon to be sunny day, I think. It's about 9 o'clock. I've been working on the boat for about 2 hours this morning. I got up early to finish some stuff that we've been working on for about 4 days, plus the stuff from 2 weeks ago with all the wiring. So just to recap here, we have our first solar panel in. There's the sun. That took all day, trying to figure out how to support it properly and make sure that the glass on the top, because there's some flex in that panel and the glass, that when it comes down, it doesn't touch the top of the bolts securing it here. So we had to put on another set of brackets on the outside. But that's the first panel. We got another panel for here and here that we're waiting on for more of this aluminum square channel stuff for. But we got a bunch of stuff going on in here. Mind the mess. We have the Balmar Alternator all hooked up, and we have do not have the DC to DC charger hooked up yet. I need a fuse to run between the hot side that comes off. Basically the engine battery feeds here to this switch, and then from the back of the switch, when it's in the on position, feeds the DC to DC charger, and then it goes into that distributor and then into the house bank that's over there. But as you can see right down there, that guy, I need to put a fuse in there, and I don't have those yet. Those are hard to come by. Good morning.
Hi.
Are you so happy?
I need coffee.
I'll make you coffee. So we also have straight stairs. Look at this. I don't know if I did this on a previous video, but
Where did that come from?
look at those straight stairs. It used to be that piece down there, the doghouse, used to be canted, just so it's hard to tell in my video here, but that used to be canted, and I was able to straighten everything up. So now we have to put that
It fit perfect.
back in right here today before Lynn goes back to work. But this is the coup de grace. This is the coup de grace. I worked the last 3 days trying to get this boat to start, working through a whole bunch of problems, but we have power to the panel, which is good. Our oil alarm is working, and the engine starts. We have oil pressure, and we should have water flowing. There's the water. We'll kick this up a little bit here. Get up to about 1,000. Look at that. Pipes, come here. Woo, she's smoky. They open up some windows down here. Got to replace these windows. They're all, you can see they're all cracked. But she's running. I replaced the gaskets on this guy right here, and it doesn't look like there's any leaks back up in there. Right there. So we'll keep an eye on that. We replaced this guy right here and fixed. We had some bad grounds right here that were just loose, making that not work, which is the the stop relay for this guy over here. Where is it? For this guy right here, which is the stop solenoid. And then the regulator for the alternator, because it's external and programmable, sits right there. And it should show that it's getting 13 or 14. I gotta change the fields on that again. There it is, 14.4. And then we added a fuse here. Which we really don't need, but we have it. And so, like I said, the last big piece of this for the last, how long have we not been able to turn our engine off at the panel? A year? Yeah. So now we've had to go down into the engine compartment there and manually activate that stop solenoid. But now that we fixed the grounding issue and replaced that stop relay, all we have to do is push this button right here and the engine stops. Amazing. All right, that's it for now. It's breakfast time. As I always say with my sign off, don't forget to let it all hang out.